Today I will show you 3 simple but amazing experiments that you can do yourself at home. For this first and very simple experiment, you will need an egg, vinegar, and a recipient. So, put the egg in the recipient, then put the vinegar in the recipient. Now it is just a matter of time. So you can see that the eggshell disappeared. But what about the egg? It's semi-liquid. In fact, I expected it to be solid. Well, that is maybe because the recipient was too small and so the egg broke. However, can you see these tiny things at the bottom of the recipient? It's the eggshell. Why did the eggshell disappear? Basically, the eggshell is made of calcium carbonate and vinegar contains an acid, acetic acid. The acetic acid breaks the calcium carbonate into calcium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. This is why you see bubbles. This makes the shell dissolve. For this second experiment, you will need 2 rolled up paper towels, 3 glasses, some dye, and water. Fill 2 glasses with water. Put the dye in the glasses. Put the rolled paper towels like that. And now just wait. Oh cool! The colors traveled upstairs. How did the water travel upstairs? Basically, the capillary action is the name of the process when liquids like water move up through a solid like a paper towel or a spongy material. This happens because of 3 scientific forces: cohesion, adhesion, and surface tension. Trees and plants need capillary action to move the water they need up into their trunks. You will need vinegar, some dish soap, but only a bit. So, baking soda, thank you, like 4 spoons of baking soda, and water. So, combine the baking soda and the dish soap in the water. If you want, you can add some dye or paint. So, with earth, create a mini volcano, then put the vinegar in the volcano. Awesome! Why did the volcano erupt? Acetic acid, a weak acid, reacts with and neutralizes sodium bicarbonate. The carbon dioxide that is given off is a gas. Carbon dioxide is responsible for the fizzing and bubbling during the eruption. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. You can repeat the experiments, they are very fun to do. And so now, goodbye!